Hey, it's Doug Miller, Fleetwood RV. I'm here to show you a little bit about a new product that we're launching, and it's our Fleetwood Xcursion. This is Fleetwood's first B van ever. Here at the Champa Super Show is the first public revealing of this product. We have 3 different floor plans. We have the AL2, we have the SL2E, and we have the SL4E. The AL2 being the adventure luxury opportunity to get off the grid, get off the road. We have the bigger tires, the blacked out rims, the custom roof rack at the top. We also have our solar panels up top. On this particular coach, there are 3. We also have the Starlink, which is a nice new feature. We all love that one. Even though it's a smaller coach, it's a B van, we still have the ability to tow. So it comes equipped with a tow package at the back. You can also put your racks on. You can throw your bikes on the back. You'll see here we have a very rugged, very durable, heavy-duty ladder system that leads up to a custom rack system on the top. All powder coat finish, so it's going to be rugged and durable for you for the entire life of the coach. We also have some of the things out here that are a necessity. So as I open up this, you'll see a nice flip-down door, and there's where you're going to find your gray valve and your black valve. As we look kind of into the cab area, we're going to see that we're going to have all the safety features that are found in offerings from Mercedes, be it the collision mitigation systems with adaptive cruise control and lane departure warnings and stuff like that are all on this. This particular AL2 has the factory Mercedes seats in here. We do have the option to do a custom wrap seat, which would match the rest of the interior. One thing we want to do is have a nice, rugged, durable finish on our cabinets on the inside. Features such as solid surface countertops. We've got a brushed nickel finish on the high-rise faucet. Nice thing up here is our Firefly panels. That's our house electronics and our control system. It's going to control our HVAC. It's going to control other features such as our lighting and things like that inside the coach. We do have a true induction cooktop. No gas burner up here. It's an electric cooktop. Refrigerator down below, just big enough to put all those things you want in there. I've taken a second to open the doors in here. It's a double door, as you can see. Hinged, interior hidden hinges on that powder coat finish. And we're an all-enclosed wash station here. So we've got the toilet. It's going to go into the black tank. We've also got the sink that's in here. Nice cover on the bottom. Nice light ring in the top with a pair of LEDs for great lighting on the inside. So even though you have the ability to go off-grid, doesn't mean you have to be disconnected from the world. So as I mentioned before, the Starlink, which is up on the roof, we also have a TV back here at the back, so a little LED TV. So you have the entertainment aspects. We've got the built-in radio that's going to pound some sound through those Alpine speakers. We have storage at the top all the way around the entire cabinet. This cabinet actually is accessible from the front. It's also accessible from the outside. So if you want to shove something in that's a little bit longer, things that you use from the outside of the coach, you have great access to inside as well. Storage to the side over here overhead, plus a little wardrobe to hang those shirts or the pants or what have you. Great area in here. These just fold down. This makes into a bed. The rear lounge is a power recliner, so just by the press of a button, we can make that into a bed. All right, so that's a nice snapshot of what the AL2 has. Remember, A is for adventure, L for luxury, 2, kind of 2-person unit back here with the lounge. What I'd like to show you next is our SL2E. Which a larger lounge area back at the back. We've rearranged some of the components on the inside to better use that space. We mentioned the fact that the SL2 is a little more sport luxury instead of adventure luxury, so you'll see a difference in the tires and wheels. We can also come up to the air ride suspension on the SL2 and also the sister over here, the SL4E. So great features like that to add to that comfort versus the little bit more rugged and off-road stuff from the AL2, which we just came from. Quite a bit larger pantry or wardrobe space. The refrigerator is about double in size because we're going from a below countertop to a size over here. Microwaves up above. This one does have the custom seating up in the front, so we've recovered the seats. And then the solid surface countertop, a little bit longer in length because we do have more space to work with. We're still using the Firefly system in here, which we talked about before. We're still using the Alpine sound system, which are all great features. I can't get enough of the screen door. I think it's a fantastic feature to have. It's so convenient just to be able to slide it open and slide it closed. In this particular floor plan, with not having the seats here, allows plenty of access in and out. So back here we have the wardrobe storage, we have the rear lounge, we have that power reclining feature in our rear lounge area. The one thing we do pick up is a little bit wider seating space on the sides, a little bit larger overhead. Again, we've taken advantage of every square inch that we possibly can. All right, that's the SL2E. Let's go check out the SL4E, which will be our largest unit with the most seating, but a great floor plan overall. Sport, luxury, 4 people. You got the 1, 2, 3, 4 seating up front, plus the lounge area. E is for the extended, which we're going to do that on the SL2E. Let's take a quick step on the inside. Follow me. So we do have the custom seating, which is more of a stone color finish on the vinyl. The area up in here is so great for conversation, because a lot of times when people are going together on something, you hate to be separated so far to where you can't be talking. And having these 4 seats all together is absolutely great for traveling. So in the galley area, we've shifted it back just enough to where we're going to provide extra seating area up in the front, extra leg space, and also extra area coming in. But in doing so, it requires us to make some engineering choices or some manufacturability choices as far as moving the faucet back a little bit so we keep it out of this main area. Again, the Summit induction cooktop over here to the side, the below mount refrigerator, great storage in the galley itself. So storage in the up, we've got the lockable hinge here, the hidden hinges up at the top. It does have a bull catch on the inside, microwave up at the top here. Great storage in the back, so full access in here. And right now, I'm feeling that heat coming out of our Agree air conditioner heat pump system for the HVAC on the top of the roof. Great system. Nice wardrobe hanging space with the bar that goes across. Lounge area back here also makes into a bed. Again, we have that power recliner, a built-in standard feature in the Fleetwood Xcursion. So some key takeaways from today's video is Fleetwood Xcursion, exclusive launch event down here at Tampa. That AL2 being your adventure luxury guide to get you off the road, get you off the grid, all the way through the floor plan lineup from the SL2E to the one we're in right now, the SL4E. Great for seating, great for travel, great for adventure, plus that extra sport luxury kick. So anything you need to make your travel and your adventure much more memorable and to provide a great experience to you, Fleetwood Xcursion is the way to do it. For more information on the Fleetwood Xcursion, check out generalrv.com.